Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I'm here today because I decided to jump in on an open collaboration hosted by Carol's Recrafted Boutique and Creating with Jovi. And the collaboration is called Creating and Recrafting, one word, hashtag. So make sure if you want to join, you put that in the title. This month's prompt is make something Christmassy. So I want to show you what I made, and I will link Jovi and Carol's channel down below in the description box so you can go check out everybody else's Christmas items. And she should have a list of people, I believe, down in her description box. So I made these these ornaments, and I love pink. I love, that's my favorite, one of my favorite colors. Pink, purple, pastels, but mostly pink. So here is the first one, and this is with memory wire. And then I made this one, and all the dangles on it. Then I crocheted these bows. This one's a little crooked because I glued a bow down there, but you know what, that's okay, we'll just slide it on over. So there's that one. And then here is this one, and I put a flare button there and a Santa's hat there with some bows that I had purchased off of Instagram. So there's are those, and then here's the candy canes, and they have snowflakes on the bottom, and this is using 20 gauge wire. So there are those, and I use this wire here. I'm out of my wire straightener, so let's try and make one of these real quick. I get you down below. I get some wire cutters. And let me get my handy dandy tool. I'm gonna pull it up here. And we're just gonna make a small little loop. We're just going to make a loop. It looks like this. And then what we're going to do is just kind of put it at an angle so it looks like this. You see that? Okay. And we're going to basically copy this one here. So let me get my beads ready. So as you see, I have made the loop and a little bit of the angle there. Okay, so I'm basically just going to copy what I did here. Okay, use that as a reference. So I put a small bead here. Let's put that in there. All right, so we're going to take this small bead and we're going to string it on there like so. And then we're just going to follow this pattern here. Hope you can see that okay. So we're going to take a white one, and then my bead spacer, like so. And then we're going to take a pink one. Okay. And then we're going to take a white one. And a pink one. So yeah, I think I did 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7. And then you just take something, I'm going to use this here, just to kind of help it a little bit. It's not going to be perfect yet, but it helps to turn to the right direction that what we need. And so I made it to 7. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I started to turn. We got 7 here, like that. Another one on. So I have my magnifying glass broke and I have a hard time now. So okay, so when you get to 11 beads right here, then you want to do a spacer here, and then put the last one here. Oops, it's a pink one. And then you want to put the tiny bead, which I thought I had, but we're going to go ahead and just use this one. So it's going to be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. It must have disappeared. So this is what we got so far. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut some of this off. Probably this one's going to be a little bit bigger. So you kind of, want to turn it with the other one. Like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut some of this off. Maybe like right here. And then we're going to loop it so that it doesn't come off. Get that good angle. See if you guys can see that. Put that in there. And then we're going to take just kind of squish it down a little bit. Like so. You just want to shape it. Kind of like so. Like that. And then we're going to put a little dangle on it. So I will be right back and we'll put a little dangle on it. I'll get this down. Okay, so I hauled these in a previous video, and it's just little snowflakes. Let's get one out. And we got some jump rings here. On the other ones. And then I have some little eye pins. Like that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to put it on. No, I'm not going to cut any off there. I'm going to take my, and just go on the edge here, turn it, and just so. Then you want to take your jump ring, like that. We're going to hook it on like that. And we're going to put it on the bottom. Okay, we're going to put it on the bottom. Make sure you're in camera frame here, and just twist it back till it connects. And there you go. Your beaded keychain, or your beaded candy cane. So there you go. That is my quick video on how I made the candy canes. Please go check out the other channels, Jovi and Carol's Recrafted Boutique, and they will have a list of the collaborators that are participating. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, God bless, bye.